Lucky all the trucks didn't get.
What they can do is take some people back and then come pick up them.
Yeah, at this point they gotta just get back.
Thank you, they have things to fix tires. Yeah, they come prepared. They do this every day. Ew, great time today.
They should have that, what's that Rowe guy? Dirtiest job.
There you go. Mike Rowe.
Mike Rowe, come do dirty jobs here. This is a dirty job.
I think that was before. Should show them. Oh, look at that log. If I would.
Wait a minute. Wasn't this the same crew that had the flat tire the first one?
Yeah, it's the same.
And now they have two more flat tires. Well, we're damn sure not riding back with them. Uh-oh. You cannot be serious.
Don't.
This is reinforcement.
They need to walk up.
You gotta have a four-wheel drive on that thing.
Isn't that the guy that was waiting? Remember there was a guy waiting
No.
on the trail?
Uh-uh.